Yes, let's look at this question number 19 for WAEC Physics 2018. Frequency is measured in A. meter per second, B. second, D. hertz, C. hertz, D. farad. So what is the unit for measurement of frequency? We know that number one, meter per second is for velocity. That's the unit for velocity. Seconds is the unit for time. Hertz is the unit for frequency, and farad is the unit for capacitance. So these are the various units for these various quantities in physics. So whenever you hear meter per second, it's simply the unit for velocity or speed. Whenever you hear times in seconds, it's unit for time and period as well. Whenever you hear frequency, it is the unit for, or the unit is hertz. That is what you use as the unit for frequency. Farad is for capacitance of a capacitor. So the right answer is C, hertz. Hertz is what frequency is measured in. Hertz is what, that is the unit of frequency. Thank you.